Good morning, my people. Concrete day. Temporary gutter up there, dump out there so no water goes in. We had a little rain last night, that helped a lot. Got everything ready to go. We have radiant heat in this porch area. See, this wall is going to come down and this is going to actually be a mud room. So the new wall will be here, connecting there, and this wall out, like I said. Door will be out, and then I think the door will be here. So that's that. We have poly down, lines are snapped, everything ready to go, just waiting on Crete. All right guys, concrete's here. We're getting her spun up, and we're gonna pour this first, pour down here second. Stay tuned. All right, happy time. Here she comes. Here she comes. She's a flowing, nice and easy. We'll bring it to our height. Here's our height here, here's our height here. Follow that wood all the way down through. The foam is the height, I believe. Just screed it off, and we're gonna get her to height. Got a little high here to pull out, using a 2x4 to screed. This is our our foam is our height in the bottom of there. So you see how nice that is and true. Just make sure those heights are good and keep hitting them with the 2x4. You're good to go on that. That's first hit, bowl float done. Obviously that's all going to be hand hit with steels. That's interior and going to be tiled. We got this set up. We'll start pouring it. We got some rocky shit. All right, we're getting it slowly but surely. New driver, so we're trying to get, no, you got to get the front tip on the tip. Otherwise you're over the top of the chute. So, just driver in training. She's doing good though, she's doing good. Try to set you up so you can see here. Right here, trying to control the splatter and the mess that we're gonna have to clean up afterwards, because we'll be graded and done with this job tomorrow after we saw cut. So don't want to have a ton of concrete to pull out of here. What do you need? Shovels here? I don't know, it's pretty full. All right, I'm gonna get a shovel. All right, she's all in. We're gonna BEAVER screed it down. And that's how you make a happy screed, wet screed right there. Nice smiley face for you, huh? All right. All right, hand float, bull float, he says. There we go. Hang that there. Hit her off with the bull float real quick. Then we'll probably be on it soon enough with knee boards. I don't even know if we'll put a machine down in there. It's so small. But we're gonna pay attention to this right now. Start hitting this off. All right, we're just hitting it off with the bull mag. It's not a conventional bull float. It's like a channel magnesium float, C channel. Works a lot better. It flattens it out versus a conventional bull float that we've used for years, but we just started using this. Seems to work better. Get this hit off and it's a waiting game. Get all our tools cleaned up. Just in case you're wondering what we listen to when we pour concrete. All right, we're just steeling this down, making her nice and true, and we'll just hit this 3 or 4 times like that. This is gonna get a tile in here once it's all done, but make sure your edges are all full, no lines, and each time you hit it, the lines go away and it gets smooth and nice. But you always wanna make sure you're to your heights before it's too late. Fill all your edges. Like so. This is all bull floated off, and we'll be on that soon enough. All right, Meek's hitting it off ever so nicely. It's just a nice little utility room down here, but we will give it a nice finish, just as it was a living room. What do you need? Okie dokie, he says afloat. So basically use 2 steels, lean out on one so you get to the back. Nice and easy. Take all your cream like this, make sure your back is nice and flush, and just run it. On the hit, before this, you make sure it's all the height, because otherwise once it gets hard and you can't get that cream, you're in trouble. You won't get it to where it's gonna be. So here's all I'm gonna do. Here's the last hit on this. Because like I said, you don't want a hard burn polish on this because the tile won't stick. So you want to keep it, make it nice and flat, but enough to where the tile could grip to the top. All right, got the road plate loaded. She's all on. All we got left is knock that little hump down, cover the septic, and grade out, which we'll do tomorrow, and take this stone out. Meek is on the floor. Probably 1 or 2 more hits there, and that's done. Coming along good. Alrighty, we got the pile scratched out. Got the pile scratched out up there by the septic. So it's easier on the skid steer tomorrow when we grade out. Machine is loaded. Miko's on the last hit for the basement floor. Yep, last hit right there. Call this one a wrap. So we're done with this. We got to saw cut this in the morning and grade out. We'll just do a quick clip of that tomorrow. But yeah, this day is over for us. So catch you on the next one. Thanks.